Hey Jerry, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan that I give you today and implement it on your own, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So what we're going to look at first is going to be your content. So I took your website and I plugged in a tool called SEO Quick. We can see that's your URL. And what we see is you have about 1,100 words. Now Google's released that their algorithms are looking for a minimum of about 1,500 words to be fully optimized within their platform. So right there, that's just something you could do, just adding 400 words, and that could help bring you up a few spots. Not to the first page by any means, but it'll help. Another thing that it helps with is your keyword density. So when you type something into Google, the algorithms basically scrub to just find the top keywords. So we can see you have Sasser, services, team, commercial, disaster as your top words. So trying to shift that focus to what you want to be found for. For example, water damage restoration or fire restoration, or you guys do a lot of different things. So just including those words more. Now, I typed in water damage restoration-Anaheim, and your number one competitor is this ATI right here, restoration. So I did the same thing for them. And we can see that they have almost 2,300 words, and they do have restoration damage a lot. So you can kind of see how it works. Now the next thing I'm going to talk about is citations. So if we go back to Google, we can see that they're number one organic, but right here's that map pack. So how do you get to the top of that? Well, citations. So I ran them both, the top companies right here, in the tool I use called Whitespark. We can see they have 26 citations and 3 citations respectively. So that means this one has 26 and this has 3. That's almost nothing. It'd be so easy to beat them. I always have my clients, I build about 100 citations for them. And all a citation is simply your information put into a directory such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, Yelp, so on and so forth. So that's just another way you can do that. And we can actually see the competition citations through that tool that I just showed you. And you can, I can take them and get you the same ones plus more. Now the last thing I'm going to talk about is the most important, and that's going to be backlinking. So I took both of your websites, here's yours, and I plugged in a tool called Ahrefs. And we can see you have almost 2,000 backlinks with 32 referring domains, and you're drawing in about 48 clicks a month on your site. So one thing about backlinks is that you want to make sure they're good quality and not just quantity. And I'll show you what I mean in a second. But what a backlink is it's just one website pointing to another website, giving it link juice. So if site A is pointing to site B, then site A is giving site B link juice. And that's what shows Google you have authority. It's pretty much a popularity contest. So let's look at your competitor again. As we can see, they have almost 8,000 and they're drawing in almost 3,000 clicks a month. But there's more to it than that, because the thing is this is like their home page. They're all over the place. So let's look at just their Anaheim business page. We can see that they're still getting 632 clicks a month, and they only have 29 backlinks. So it's very important you have high quality backlinks, and that whoever does your SEO, or if you do your SEO, that you find websites that are relevant to your page to link from with good DR. So in closing, we discussed 3 things: content and having a minimum of 1,500 words on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed citations and how you want to have at least 100 so that you beat out the competition by a landslide. Lastly, we discussed link juice and backlinking and how you need to have the most relevant and high authority sites point at you guys to show Google that you're the top company in your niche. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you could be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, you can either take the information I provided you today and do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.